to sum 2. Input array is sorted. Given a one index array of integers is called numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, and we need to find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers of index 1 and numbers of index 2, where 1 less than equal index 1 and less than equal index 2 and less than equal numbers length. Okay, so return the index of the two number index 1 and index 2 added by 1 as an integer array index 1 comma index 2 of length 2. So in our programming we start with 0, right? But when we want to return the 0 index, we need to return just 1. So we have to plus 1 to our result, right? The text are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Okay, so your solution must use only one constant extra space. Okay, because I'm sorry, it's already sorted. The input array is gonna be sorted already, so we don't have to do anything too much. And then I will use a two pointer approach. I will point one pointer here and then one pointer to the left, one pointer on the first, and then I will sum it up. And then if it can give me the target value, I will return the first index and then the last index, right, by adding the plus 1 according to the result they want. Okay, and then if the target value is greater than the sum after we add, and then the sum we got is greater than target, so we will move the right index so we can make it small sum, right? So because it's already sorted, and then when we go left, the sum is gonna be decreasing, right? So if the target is greater than the sum we have, no, so if the sum we got is greater than the target, we will move the right index to the left, right? Okay, so what if the sum is smaller than the target we want, so we will move to the right side we will move the left index to the right side, so the index gonna be 7, and then we'll just plus 1, so we can get greater sum, right? So when we move the right index to the left, we will get a small sum, small and smaller and smaller. Our sum is gonna be smaller and smaller, and then when we get a bigger sum to reach to the target, and then we have to move the left pointer to the right side, right? Okay, so let's do that one. Okay, so I'm just gonna create just left and right index, number store length -1 because we start from 0, right? Y left less than right, we will have a base case, we will stop if the left pointer is greater than or equal right pointer, right? Okay, and then we will create current sum, so where we are gonna get that one, numbers left plus dot numbers at the right pointer index, right? If current sum equal target, okay, we don't have to do anything, and then we need to return the new integer array, right? So we have to pass left and right, but the problem is saying we need to plus 1 because they want to start from 1, and then the program we are writing is starting from 0. That's why we need to add 1 to both indexes. Okay, so if the current sum is less than target, So that means we need the biggest sum, right? So we need to move the left pointer, so we will have to plus plus to the left side. Else that means we need, if the current sum is greater than target, that means we need the smaller sum. So at the time we need to reduce, we need to move the right index to the left, so right minus minus. So after we will loop when the left is greater than or equal to the right pointer. At the time, okay, we cannot get the target from this array. We cannot get any two elements cannot sum up to get the target. So at the time we'll just return the empty array. Okay, I think we can also return the null value. Okay, for now I'm gonna return the empty array. So it is saying we can use only constant extra speed. So I didn't create any array something, so I just create the elements, right? So order of one, order of one, order of one, so just order of three, right? For the memory, extra memory. So if we think that it is just order of one, and then for the time complexity I loop only one loop, right? So it's an order of I'm sorry, what is it? Order of n, right? Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna submit this one to see the result. Okay, cool. So that's it. Thank you.